everyone. Good morning. Just have 2 minutes and I can open. By the way, today you're going to trade the V3 version for the first day. So, again, V3, same signal, everything, nothing changed in terms of the trade, everything the same, except we add a lot of good stuff for the V3. I will explain everything while you're trading. But the most important thing we add the V3 version is the idea of securing profit along the way. Because if you guys can see, a lot of time, especially in the swing 5 trade, sometimes you give up a lot of profit. Like sometimes the market go toward our profit target for a few ticks, and then then hit the profit and come back, hit the stop, which is sucks. So in this version, we actually add an option to secure profit along the way. So I'm gonna explain everything in details today, but if you guys can see here, I'll show you in a moment. You see this? It is called. We can also use target break even. Like once we hit specific percentage from the target, let's say your target is 600x. If you make this 50%, the stop loss will move break even. And also we can lock trigger percentage of the target. Like let's say when the market move in our favor, 75% from the target, we secure this profit, and also lock secure the target. So we use this option in the swing 5 and the pre-market templates, both of them, and the result, it is way higher than before. And also one more change we add. Market is open, by the way.
Order canceled.
Market is open. Let's see. Do we have any trades? Yes, we do have. Actually, the pre-market trade is actually short since I think long time. Let's see. The pre-market now is short, $1,500 now. Anyone short pre-market template? We'll see. So pre-market template is short now. And also one more thing we add also is, and also the swing 5 is short. Ooh, wow. The swing 5 is short and already hit the target, by the way. So the swing 5, the other thing we change, also is swing 5 now taking trades 4 hours before market open. Same like the pre-market. But it stopped trading at 11:45 as usual, but it takes trade before the market open. The new swing 5 version. So, and the result, it is, massive, better than the old version. And also one of the most important things we updated in the new version is we force the daily max loss, daily max profit, 100%. So you're not gonna lose more than this. Keep in mind, the daily max loss is using the realized profit, not the unrealized profit, which is very important. So sometimes, yes, it's $1,500 max loss, but sometimes you earn a trade and the trade loses more than that, so you end up losing more than $1,500, but it's gonna be within this range. Same with the daily profit target. Once you reach both of them, any one of them, it's gonna have a text here saying daily max profit hit or daily max loss hit, and no more signals, no more trade will take. Also, very important thing we add too is the percentage of giveaway profit. So this one here, risk control, profit threshold, risk give back, which means if you add, let's say if you add $1,000 here, profit threshold, and then how many percentage you want to give away from your profit. So if this one is like $1,000, this scenario is 80%. So if I am up $1,000, I'm not gonna give up more than 80%, which is $800. So if the system get any trade, $800 or less, will take it. Anything more than that, it will not take the trade. Which means, if I am up $1,000, I'm not gonna be red anymore. That's it. The loss scenario, I'm gonna be $200 profit instead of $1,000. That's the case here. And my profit target here is also $3,000. I'm talking about the manual, you know, we're moving our stuff manually here, but
order canceled.
it's also another good option. And let's see what happened here. Okay. Wow. Pre-market template is stopped now. Okay. Swing 5 is up. So the swing 5 is up now, 1,335. And we're still looking for a new trade. We'll see. But again, the signal same, nothing changed. Everything the same, signal the same, everything the same, but we changed the way we take profit or move our stuff. That's the only thing we changed, but nothing else changed. Anyway, that's a big move downside and upside. Oh my. You scared the shit out of me, man. My dog was like underneath me. Oh my God. Don't be scared, man. What are you doing here? Okay. Do we have a trade? We'll see. We'll see. Oh, where is the trade actually? And our profit target right here, this area, it's gonna be this one here. And we'll see. And also our stop loss. I'm gonna tie our stop loss once this bar close above the, actually this bar close, I'm gonna tie my stop loss, let's see. We'll see. Oh man, come on. Let's go. We'll move up, man. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, man. Move up. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on, let's go. You can do it. Move up. There we go. There we go. Keep moving, man. Keep moving. Find my stop loss now. Right here. And we'll see. Come on, hit the target, man. Bro, come on. Here we go. Come on. Here we go.
Order canceled.
Hit the target now. Yeah, 150 ticks, but it's still a trade for the trading one. And once this bar closes, I'm going to add break even. And we'll see now. Come on. That's the 80 ticks profit in the money now. We'll see. I'm going to break even now. And we'll see what happens. Hit my stop, hit my break even. We'll see. But actually, we should actually keep my stop loss here. I don't want to, should keep it here now. Oh man, that's a big money here. That's 100 ticks. That's 100 ticks in the money now. I'm not gonna give up away all this profit. I'm gonna secure some profit now. That's a big money to give away. So I secured now 35 ticks. I want to see if any place I can hide my stop behind it. I can see there is an, all right, let's see. Markets keep moving. And any other trade alpha A plus. Okay. Swing 5, then take a trade. Wow, that's a big move upside. That's a 200 freaking ticks upside. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up all this profit, to be honest. Let's secure some profit here. Woo, that's a fucking 300. What the heck? What the heck? We are up $1,400 now in this trade. What a massive trade, man. I secured for this profit now 153 ticks, which is $700. So we are $700 in the money now, and I am still in a trade. I am still in the trade. I secured $700 from this trade. Not yet, Jeff. Not yet. It's gonna be today for sure, but not yet. I just want to give it 1 day trading live before I put a members area. This is actually the first day you trade it live. So I want to give it like 1 day before I post to the members area, but it should be today in members area. Also going to be a videos explaining everything. But the template, the pre-market template and the swing 5, the profit and the loss is way better than the old version. Way better. Because now it's securing profit now along the way. Yeah. Yeah. So, didn't hit our stop, which is good. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Okay, keep moving up. Secure some profit now from this shit. Let's go. Secure some profit, man. Do not let this go away. Here we go. Let's secure some profit. Now I secured now 900 ticks from this trade and market still moving. That's a massive trade right there. Come on, man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Secure some profit, man, along the way. Secure some profit. Do not let this trade go like that. Secure some profit. So we are up now in this trade. We secured $1,200 from this trade so far. Actually, I'm going to move it here a bit here. To be honest, I want to stay in a trade. So I'm going to keep it right here now because I want to still stay in a trade. I want to get up stopped out now, but we'll see. We'll see, man. Come on. Here we go. And then
Order
we stopped
canceled.
out at $1,200 profit. So that's a good trade. So what's going to happen now is I'm up now in this in this template almost $1,200, and in the setting here, I told the system is if I am up $1,000 or more, I'm willing to give up 80%. You can change. You can make it 50%, 30%. Doesn't matter. But I make it 80% because I want to keep trading, and my daily max profit is three grand. Which means $1,200, 80%. I did 80% because I want to keep still taking trades. You know, I don't want to just when I hit $1,000 and I say okay now take only give away only 50%, which means $500. If there is any other trade risky more than that, I'm not gonna take trades. I don't wanna. I still wanna make more money than $1,000. That's why I get 8%. So $1,200 times 8%, which means I'm willing to give $960. So if any trades come in now, the risk is 960 or less, system will take it. More than that, will not take trades. Which means, technically I should be up there. It's not gonna, there's no way I'm gonna be up $1,200 and then lose all of them. It's not gonna happen, which is very important, like, securing your profit instead of giving away all of them, but you still wanna keep trading. So keep in mind, this option, use it wisely. Because if you use it, okay, say, if I make $1,000, I'm only gonna give away 20% from this profit. You're not gonna take any other trades, because 20% means $200. So you're not gonna have a trade that only risks $200. You know what I mean? So just use this option wisely, because even if you make money, you still have an option to make more money. And if you guys can see, the reason the trailing and the swing 5 and all this templates make a lot of money, because when it makes money in a day, it makes a lot of money in a day. We're gonna have a losing day for sure, but when it makes money, it makes big money. That's the case here. That's it. No. And we'll see what happens. Swing 5 there was up to $1,300. And we'll see if we have any other trades. Now someone said me, okay, I don't want to trade the fixed target. I want to trade only the trailing, make more money. Yeah, you can do that. You don't have to trade the fixed target, but it's just we do it because we want to catch the market when it's sideways. You don't have to. You can only trade manual the trading one, which is make more money for sure. You can only trade this one, the trailing one. You don't need to do the rest. Just move your stop loss behind market structure, manual, and then let the pre-market and swing 5 take the trade for you for the other two accounts, and then should be it. You don't have to. We'll see if there is another trade. Morning, good morning. That's a massive trade right here. Oh man, I should be still in this trade so far, but that's okay. Come on, man. That's okay. Anyone still long using the trade stop? Anyone still long? Anyone? That's a massive trade right there. going to show you the option for the swing 5. The swing 5. This one, the V3. And this is this. You're not gonna have all this. You're not gonna have a very clean template. But this one we tested for the year. So the swing 5, it made since January for the new version, since January 1st, $54,000 and $7,000 drawdown. And the pre-market template, we have more than one template for the pre-market. I'm going to give you the one has less drawdown, but there is a version of it make $81,000 since January with $9,000 drawdown, which is high. So we're going to give you this one, the one making $69 grand in a year, with seven grand drawdown, which is very conservative because we don't want to have a $9 grand drawdown. So this is the swing 5 we're going to use. The one making 54 and 7K. So again, this template trades from 2:30 in the morning, my time. You still in a trade? Good job, man. You always be still in a trade, Jeff. Good job. And until 45 minutes market open, daily max profit 2 grand, daily max loss $1,500, and same it use EMA slot as usual, 14 ticks. Swing 5, 3-to-1 risk reward. And what else? What else changing? Oh, one more thing. The new version of the swing 5, and 1 second here. Let's see, give me 1 second. Load. Yeah, so the swing 5 now is going to be a little bit different than the one we trade manually. It's going to be more than, like a little bit closer to the pre-market template, using the EMA slot 2, and it using 3-to-1 risk reward instead of 5-to-1 or 4-to-1 like the pre-market template. Also, it use the different. It's not using a proper mode. It's actually using the proper mode. This one using proper mode. The other one using the swing 5 using the proper mode. The other one, which is the pre-market template, the one pre-market template final, it use. 1 second, I'll show you exactly. The target break-even lock. So it locked the profit along the way, so it doesn't use the pre-market, it doesn't use the proper mode. Okay, the swing 5 using now using the proper mode, right? That's why the swing 5 stopped. That's why the pre-market template stopped out, because it look profit. Anyway, you should watch the videos, members here today. And when you get the template, actually you can go back and back test it in the last year, and you'll see the result yourself. Oh man, this massive trade. If you are still in this trade, you're gonna make a lot of money today. If you are still in this trade, use the second parabolic star as your stop mechanism now. It's going to make you stay in a trade as long as you can. Yeah. And also, we're gonna provide you the micro template for the pre-market template. You can still, you can do the, the project for $2,000. So you can, create simulation account with $2,000, run this micro template on it. Once this template double your money, immediately open live account and start trading this micro. And for the process for the video by when I showed you how to actually do it. We still in the straight. No, for me now, but you guys, if you are using the second dash, you should be still in the straight so far. I think Jeff is still in the trade, right? If you are in the trade now, you should be already securing from here to the second dash 378 ticks, man. That's already almost $2,000 in this trade, in the money. Did you know how Epic stopped all automated system? What do you mean stop automated system? I don't know that. No, I didn't know that. And by the way, how do you gonna monitor that? I don't understand. What do you mean by manual? I have a system that actually takes the trade for me when I move my stop loss. So how do you gonna know? And by the way, guys, I don't want to say names. You don't have to trade with this company. You don't have. It's using live drawdown. Why are you wasting your money with that? There's a lot of companies out there. I'm not gonna talk about fun to go now. I'm talking about like whatever. Do your search. You don't have to trade with this company. You don't have to whatsoever. And actually, you don't have to. Do not trade with them. They're using live drawdown and they're going down. Just find another. There's a lot of firm now. Find anything that doesn't have drawdown. End of day drawdown. That's the goal here. Live drawdown, garbage. Epix doesn't want anyone to make money. That's it. Because they're not going to take advantage of you if you make money anyway. A lot of prop firm now, from the go on, one of them is they're looking for good traders because they're going to use your talent to make money out of you as well if you make money. That's why you want you to make money because if you make money, in the future we will make money too. But Epix, no. Epix working only on the subscription. That's the model for Epix. That's it. We'll see now for the other trade. You should be stopped out now in this trade by almost $1,800 profit. Yeah. Yes. I got one guy like last week sending me sending me an email. He said, "Hey man, there's no way you make this money." He was watching the life tracker. There's no way this system can make this money in the life tracker. You're doing something wrong. I said, you know what? You just join the room, man. See the trade live and see the trade here, and then go the tracker the same day. See if because we don't add anything. It is automated. So all the trade is transparent. Every trade we take here, it's in the tracker by the end of the day, immediately. Winning or losing, doesn't matter. Traders, they want to make everything complicated, unfortunately. And let me tell you something also. Nothing in the market right now like Alpha I Plus. Nothing. Even close. And you can search and see if you can find something like this. You're not going to find anything like that. Ever. And if you see any system using this kind of bars like Renko or special bars, or any kind of crap, run away immediately. These bars, Renko and all this shit, is just show. It doesn't make real money because it doesn't act to the time frame that actually market moving on the time frame. Any strategy using any other than time frame or ticks, garbage. Don't ever use this Renko or this kind of fancy bars. It's just a show. It's not gonna make money. It looks good in the chart. It looks good. Yeah, well, look at this moving blah blah blah. But when you treat it live, good luck. We'll see if any other trade coming. So we are up now, almost 4 grand across 4 templates. And we still have 1 hour and a half now, more than 1 hour and a half. Mark's pushing down now a little bit. There you go. Move up or down, whatever. Doesn't matter. Down or up. Any position opening? No. No positions. No positions. Any one of you guys has any complaints about the L5 Plus system so far? I want to see complaints. I want to see if you have any bad experience, which I don't know how, but I want to hear it. If you have any, comments, anything we need to improve, let me know. Market's pushing down big time now. Let's see if you have any trade now or no. We'll see. You wish you have one? You wish you have the system? You don't have it? I understand. You don't have it? Why you don't have it? Why you don't have it? Oh, complaining? Okay. There we go. It's pushing down now again. Let's see if we have any signals or no. So for the trail stop, the system will look for any trade that has less than 80%, less or equal, 80% from the $1,300 profit, or actually the $1,200, almost $800. So if any signals comes risking more than $800, it will not take the trade, which is very good, by the way, because you don't want to be up $1,200 and there is a signal coming, you're risking $1,300 and you lost it. You know what I mean? So that's why I made it this way, but also be mindful about using this option, because if you use it unwisely, it's gonna reduce the amount you make every day. So use it wisely. I see like $1,000 giving away 80% from $1,000 or more is very reasonable. Very reasonable. $800 in trade, you will take a trade for sure, because it's $800. So it's like almost 160 ticks. So you will get a trade. But don't say, okay, if I make $500, only risk 50%. Come on, you're not gonna take any trades. So you already cap yourself to $500 a day, which is not good. Also, I made this cool option as when you hit the profit target or stop loss, it's gonna have a message here daily profit target hit or max loss, whatever. So you will see it in your eyes. Done, no trades. There is no other way you can play with it unless you disable the strategy and, you know, completely remove it and back it again, because even if you disable enable, it's not gonna take any other trades because it's reset itself after the day close. So good luck with that. I make it hard for you actually to, you know, change your mind if you wanna keep trading. It's not gonna happen. So market is pushing down now. Let's see if we have other trades. No trade so far. Still no trade. Come on. So let's see this bar. This bar is 159 ticks so far, which is, yeah, 179 ticks. So 179 ticks is almost $900. So if there is a signal on this bar, in the trading one, it will not take the trade because this is more than $800. Yes, swing 5 and pre-market are fully automated. Everything is fully automated, by the way, but we just move our stop here. But yes, swing 5 and pre-market template, we don't touch them. Everything is automated. So the swing 5, the pre-market template, the best one make now 67 grand with $7,000 drawdown. If you wanna, you know, reduce risk, you can trade 5 micros. So, you know. But I want you to take advantage of this micro pre-market micro template. I can sit in a video, create $2,000 simulation account and run the pre-market template, and let it run. Once it double the account, open live account immediately, and start making money by your own with any platform you use. And we'll see now. Someone told me I like to trade the trading one. I don't want any bot to trade for me. You can do that. And by the way, the trading stop in November make $97 so far, which is almost 2 weeks. $8,700 with around like $1,500 drawdown. It's a very good, very solid when you move your stop loss manually. Very solid, by the way, because you can control it. So if you don't want to, you know, let the system trade for you, and you want to just move your stop manually to take profit, and you can use this one. Very powerful. 2 hours in a day and make a lot of money every day, and that's it. We made the system to match any needs. If you have no time to trade, you want to let the system do it, run the template by itself, let it go. You want to trade manually, you can move your stop manually and do whatever you want to do. You want to have both of them, you can do both of them. Doesn't matter. We'll see if any other trades coming. And I think Epic's stop, make these rules for not automated system because of us. Don't be surprised, by the way. Don't be surprised. Scared. Because, system make a lot of money. It is, if you just run it like this, what you're doing now, especially for the swing, there is no way you're gonna lose an account. So especially if you're in with Epics and the live drawdown they have, and you're trading the stop loss like we do here, there's no way you're gonna lose an account. No way. In hell. That's why you say no, I'm not gonna trade automated. But the question is, how do you know? And by the way, if you still want to trade with Epics, just turn off the automation. and put your buy limit here. Now nobody can complain. It is, you know, a signal, but I take the trade manual. You know, go F yourself. Can do nothing. Maybe Epic's gonna be the second rule now. No, no, no. You cannot trade Alpha A plus. Oh man. Oh, any signal or what? Oh, you don't have to trade with them, man. You don't have to. There's a lot of firms, good firms out there. Come on. We still need that. By the way, for the new version, you're gonna use the same machine ID as usual, no problem. Put the machine ID in the template. That's it. You don't need to send machine ID again. You know what I mean? Use the same one you have. Oh man. There we go. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. Hopefully, you know, no trade until I come. But if it trades, you know, happen, system will take it anyway. But all right, be back in a minute. didn't take any trades. That's good. Okay, didn't take any trades so far. We got this massive long trade and it's still waiting for another one. That's a cool thing about the system, you know, you need to, you know, you can actually read a book or whatever, and once you have a trade, you take it. There's a trade now.
Order submitted.
I was talking about the trade. So there's trade now, and then this trade will, our target will be the next area with the fixed, and then we trade our stop here. And of course, this one, the risk is lower than $800. If you guys can see this, the entry is the stop. So the market now risking 135 ticks. How much money this one here? $675. See? So now it's risking. So because it's less than $800, it take the trade in this one here. That's why. We'll see. We'll see. Again, he's going to wait for 5 bars, no touch. After 5 bars, we'll cancel. Okay, pushing down now. And if there is any other short trade, actually the system will cancel this one and add a short, if any short happens, by the way. Just to let you know. Or long. So we don't need to worry about it. That's a massive, massive downside now.
Order submitted.
Is there another trade now or what? Oh. The pre-market and the swing 5 are short now. We'll see. So how many bars now? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more bar. If no touch, this trade will be cancelled. Market is pushing up now. This is the last bar. If there is no touch, which I don't think it's gonna touch that entry by any chance. No way. It's like, how many ticks? Like 300 ticks. So, and then we'll look for another trade. That's it.
Order canceled.
It cancelled, and now we'll see. And we're still short in the swing 5 and the pre-market. Well, man, push down, man. Or do whatever. Doesn't matter. Market's pushing up now. Wow, that's a big upside move. And we will see. Market sitting at 0% now, which means it's touching the pre-market open. That's why it's hesitation now. It's gonna go up or down. We'll see. Pushing down now. Let's go. There we go. Keep moving, man. Moving. keep moving. Keep in mind the swing 5 will stop trading at 11:45 Eastern. Pre-market will keep trading until the market close. See a lot of choppiness here. Any question, guys, in the meantime? Any question about the system, configuration? If you are new, have any question in mind, ask anything in the chat, I will answer. Keep moving down, come on, man. What is your favorite style or template to trade so far with the system? Trailing stop, fixed, pre-market, swing 5. Which one your favorite one? Okay, so pushing up now. For me personally, I like the trailing because I like to be in control. That's me. Like I like to trade this more, the trailing, because I like to be in control of the market. Like, you know, I manually see what's happening in the market and move my stop loss, you know, what I've seen. That's me, you know what I mean? But the automated ones make good money too. But I'm running anyway for different market. But personally, I like to move my stop loss manually, depending on the market direction or where the market's moving. Markets are pushing up now. Oh, the swing 5 now is going to give up the profit, but that's fine. That's a big move upside. Big move. Moving down back again. We'll see. Any favorite template you guys like to trade more? Like you feel comfortable more the templates? Pushing down now again.
Order submitted.
Oh, there's a trade here. I want to see first, 1 second. Well, hold on, buddy, hold on. Do not move, man. Hold on, let's see how many ticks here. 9 ticks. No, I'm gonna move my bite. Oh man, oh this shit. This shouldn't be my. I should be my entry right here. Fuck, man, that should be conscious because the 9 ticks, your entry should be above this line. So anyway, that's okay. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. I should add my entry here because it is less than 20 ticks. But anyway, I'm in the trade now anyway. So this is gonna be my stop, my target. For the stop, for the profit target, I'm gonna add my profit target right here. And we'll see. Come on, man, push up. Or down, doesn't matter. We are short in one template, long in another one, so it doesn't matter. Once the spark, come on, man. Again, if it shouldn't be in this trade so far, we shouldn't, because it is less than 20 ticks. But I didn't have a chance to move it. So anyway, I'll try my stop loss a little bit now. Once the bar closes, I'm gonna move my stop loss right here. And then secure some profit. And then, reduce the risk. Come on, man. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce my risk actually for this trade. I'm gonna reduce my risk here. Hit my stop, that's fine. Around like $200 loss. I already make $1,100, so it doesn't matter if I lost $200. That's fine. But and we'll see. Hey, now come on, keep moving up. Come on, there we go. That's a nice move. I'm gonna actually move my stop loss around here because this is a big move. Oh man, that's a nice. I'm gonna move my stop loss break even now in the pre. Oh, hey, my
Order
fucking
canceled.
shit. Holy fuck. That's okay. That's okay. Anyway, it almost hit the target, but let's still not yet. Come on. Come on, keep moving. Come on, man. Almost hit the target, man. Come on. Go hit the freaking target, man. Glad I already, that's why I told you I like that trailing stop. Oh man.
Order canceled.
That's why we still short, by the way. We still short. Just, we still short pre-market template and the swing 5. So, yeah. That's why I like the moving my stop loss manually, because you see what's gonna happen and then you control it manually. I prefer it, you know what I mean? I like it. So, we still short in this one here. And by the way, you should be at the target here. It's okay. So that's what I'm talking about. The signal will move in your favor anyways. Like in this scenario, it moves 59 ticks in your favor from the entry. right? This one here didn't touch. This one here moved like a massive amount, so it's gonna move anyway. So that's why I prefer if you manually, when you move your stop loss, you will see what's gonna happen. If the market will reject it, you already break even like I did now, and then you don't lose anything. That's why this one is really using this one, especially if you have live drawdown, which I don't prefer. It's not gonna hit your drawdown ever because you in control. And market's still pushing down, and you're still short in two templates. So this one, the risk for this one, from the entry to the stop, 124 ticks, 124 ticks, which is 600. That's why I take the trade, because it is less than 800. And then,
Order submitted.
Here we go, behind this line, below this line. So now, because it's less than 20, move your sell limit below the line. See, below the line, and we'll see if we hit our entry or not. If we hit our entry, this is gonna be our target right here, and then we're gonna move our stop loss with the trailing as usual. A lot of trades today. Well, sort of the good thing I like about trading your stop is the idea of moving your entry if there is closer from the area, which is, it could be done in the automated, but it can be done. But if I tell the system, calculate each 15 minutes and daily support resistance for the last year or two, it will consume a lot of data from your machine, and it's going to be very slow. It can be done, but it will be very tough on the machine, because it's going to have to calculate live every support resistance for the last 2 years. You know what I mean? So that's why it's going to be hard for the machine to do it. It can be done, but again, it's gonna be like very hard. But for the manual, you can see it in your eyes, and then you move your entry. Gain market didn't touch it. And again, 5 bars. If 5 bars no touch, the trade will be cancelled. We'll see. This is the 4th bar, one more bar, and then we're done. And then the trade will be cancelled. this is the last bar. If no touch, this trade will be cancelled. We'll see. Come on, here we go. Hit enter now. Just keep in mind, move your target here immediately. Didn't touch it. If there's no touch, will be cancelled, unfortunately, because it's so close. But you have to follow the rules. So if this bar no touch, it will be cancelled, even though it might
Order
move downside.
cancelled.
But that's it. That's the rules. It's gonna move downside, I think, but it is the rules. So it is what it is. So and you already short in other template anyway. So unfortunately, it didn't. I'm sure the market will move at least here, like 90%. They move at least this until this line, which is the target. But it is what it is. And we still short any template anyway. So it sucks, man. Like buy the tick. Anyway, almost hit it. Yeah. That's going to be a nice short here, and already hit the target for the fixed target here, and should be in a straight so far. But anyway, but we're still short in other two templates. See what happened? Buy the tick, man. Come on, buy that tick. See, that's what I'm talking about. How long it's going to move? Nobody knows. But we know there is an area here. So if I am using trailing stop now, I'm not gonna wait until the market hit my stop loss here. I'm gonna move my stop loss around behind daily, right here. And then I will see if I see clear breakout, continue. If not, I'm gonna tighten my stop also. You know what I mean? So in this scenario now, if I see the market breakout, I'm gonna move my stop loss behind this bar. And then keep moving my stop loss as usual. And the fixed target already hit anyway. So in this scenario, if I am short now, I'm gonna wait until this bar closes. I'm gonna move my stop loss behind this wick. Right here, like this. This is going to be my stop. So I'm going to be almost big, but in this scenario, I'm going to secure some profit. Like I'm going to move it like this. So I'm securing like I almost break even plus a couple of ticks. Because I don't want to, and then it didn't hit my stop yet, should be. I'm showing you now if I'm trading this red life. So this line here, I'm going to make it red. Show you my stop loss if I am in this trade. So this is going to be my stop loss if I'm in this trade. And it already hit my stop loss with the small profit, like few ticks. And that's it. Wow, what is that? What the heck? What's happening? What is this move? See, so Amir, I'm not going to wait until come back, hit my stop. No, forget about it. That's why I like moving the stop loss manual. We'll see what happens. Market is very volatile now. I don't know what's going on, but there we go. Keep pushing down, man. Wow, that's a big move downside. Come on, man, keep pushing. Keep pushing down. I want to see you move like 600 ticks downside. Come on. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Woo! Woo! That's a big move. Come on. Come on. Like in this scenario here, there is no way the system would take this trade. Look how many ticks this bar. Look at this. This fucking 176, 173 ticks, which is almost $900 risk. So no way the system will take this trade. Keep market is pushing down now and we still short. Come on, good job. Let's go. Come on, here we go. Keep moving, buddy. Keep moving. Good job. Swing 5 is up 2 grand now. Here we go. Oh man, move like 906 billion ticks downside, please. All right. That was a nice short. And I stopped out here. Oh, I didn't take the trade anyway. So, didn't take the trade. Actually, I take the trade, but stopped out here. But, anyway. No, we didn't take the trade yet. Didn't take because market came here, 5 bars, didn't touch it, but it was a nice short. Anyway, we'll see. Come on, man, let's push down. Come on, let's go. Still way to go. Push down. Good job. Now it's shopping now between the 2 lines for the daily. Keep moving down. Wow, that's a nice move. Come on, man. Push down more. There we go. Give me another 600 billion ticks, please. That's a nice short. We are up now across 4 templates, around 5 grand so far. And we still have 45 minutes or so. Oh, yeah. Come on, man, push down. Still long way to go. Come on, push down. Here we go. There's still a way to go. There we go. Keep moving, man. Keep moving. That's a nice move downside. Nice move. Keep moving. Keep moving, man. Still pushing down. Come on. Push down. Still moving. Pushing up a little bit now. Go on. Keep pushing down. Keep pushing down. There we go. Move, keep moving down, man. We are up almost $3,000 now in a swing 5. Come on, keep moving down. Come on, keep moving. My bad. Come on, push down more. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you gonna hit the target now for the swing 5 or we'll see. Let's go. Swing 5 is up now almost $3,500. Almost $3,000 now. More than $3,000. We'll see. Come on, push down. Keep pushing down. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Hit the target, man. Hit the come on. Ooh, what the fuck is big move? Look at this shit, man. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Keep moving down. What do you see now on like across 4 templates? We are up almost $7,000 now today, just today. Across 4 templates. More than that, by the way. Keep moving down. Keep moving. That's a massive trade.
Order canceled.
And actually the swing 5 hit the target. And it's not gonna take it's not gonna take trade anymore because the profit target daily is $2,500. So the swing 5 is done for today, up 3,665. And that's it for swing 5. Swing 5 is done for today. Profit $3,000, $665 in one day. And still pre-market, still in a trade because it lost one trade in the morning, so that's why it's still trading. It didn't hit the target yet, and it's up $1,400 now, and we'll see. And keep in mind the pre-market will keep trading until the market closes, so we will see what's going to happen today. Should I show you something here? This go to swing 5. This one is the trade. If you have a chart now open for the swing 5, you should see a message showing profit target hit for today. Pushing up a little bit now. I want to see what is the stop loss for the pre-market template. Stop loss still above there because the profit target now is right here. So it is 1,135 ticks, and the distance now from here to there still didn't reach the 50%. That's why the stop loss didn't move, because it didn't reach the 50% yet. That's why it didn't move yet. But we still a trade, we'll see. We still in a trade. Still keep moving down. Come on, let's go. That's a massive move downside, man. That's a massive move. Look at this. And we'll see if you have any signal coming or no. pushing down more. Come on. Still a long time to go. Market pushing up a little bit now. Come on. Pushing out back. Pushing back up a little bit, we will see. Still have 15 minutes. Keep in mind this trade for the swing, for the pre-market template is still running, and it could be running the whole day. You know, who knows? You know what I mean? Just let it do its job, and that's it. We'll see if you have any trade here you can take. Give me 1 second, guys. What the heck? It's a big move upside. What the heck? Okay. That's a big move upside. We'll see. No more trades or what? A very solid move. Look at, I love this move when it happens like this. I don't really get any trades. Still have 4 minutes. Actually, no, for what 4 minutes? 14 minutes actually. Market reached the 0 point again. Do you have another trade or what? Let's see. Nice move upside. Let's see how we did last week across 4 templates. See, open the tracker now and see how we actually did. All right, let's see. So we are up $56,000 now since October 1st across 4 templates. And if we see last week, today is November 17, last week from the 10th until the 14th, which is last week. $1,000, $886 across all templates. So let's see the trailing make $3,000. The fixed target lost $75. pre-market template. Lost 5 grand actually. Last week was very bad for the pre-template. Swing 5, made $4,000. So the pre-market template and the trading almost 5 grand, but the swing 5 and that trading make a lot of money last week, but the pre-market template actually lost. That's why we changed. So the pre-market template last week, it lost in one day $3,000. This is not gonna happen because when we add now the force max loss, it's not gonna lose more than that. So how about the week before that, from the 3rd to the 7th, we made across 4 templates $24,000 in 1 week. Can you imagine that? 1 week. So the trading stopped $2,800, fixed target $400, pre-market 10 grand. So even if the pre-market lost $4,000 in 1 week, week before make $10,000. So it doesn't matter. Still the pre-market template is the most one make money so far. Swing 5, 9 grand. That's a massive week the week before. So since November 1st until today, we didn't take the trade today, actually we didn't grab it at the end of the day. We are up $1,300 and we didn't add the profit we make today. So we should be up today, whatever result, it's gonna be around 15 to 16 grand this month across all templates, which is massive. You know what I mean? We'll see. Market still push up. But the most template has the lowest drawdown is this one, the one that's moving by the stop loss by market structure. This has one of the lowest drawdown for sure because we tied our stop loss depending on the market movement. So if you're using any account that has live drawdown, I highly suggest using this template, moving your stop loss manually, because you're going to reduce your risk big time. We still short, by the way, the pre-market template, by the way. What's going to happen today? End up losing or winning, it doesn't matter. Still pushing up. What usually happens when you have this move before the Europe session close, at the close Europe session market moving up, and then after lunchtime it reverses. That's usually what happens, but we'll see. Keep in mind the pre-market template, the stop loss is swing 20, which is the stop loss for this one is going to be around above here. So we'll see. It's pushing up now big time. Come on. What a massive move. Yeah, 5 minutes until we're done today. Four minutes actually. 3 minutes now. Mark still pushing up. One minute until we're done. There we go. That's it, guys. So no more trades, systematic trades. Very good session this morning. We make the swing 5 almost 4 grand. Trading made almost $1,200, and we still short the pre-market. We'll see what happen. And keep in mind the pre-market will trade the whole day. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to download around around 6 p.m. Eastern. You should be able to see 7 p.m. Eastern. You should be able to see the V3 version in the members area. It's gonna have the video, all the templates, everything you need. And that's it, guys. See you all.